Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Techies. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a resource group in Azure, Microsoft Azure and add tags using CLI commands, whether you are using Bash or PowerShell. And resource groups are crucial for organizing and managing your Azure resources efficiently, and adding tags with help you with the categorization and cost effective. Now we will cover this three things: how to create a resource group using Azure CLI in both Bash and PowerShell, and how to add tags to the resource group for better organization. And I will explain the key difference between Bash and PowerShell syntax for Azure CLI. So grab your terminal and let's get started. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all such things. Alright, let's jump into. First, we will start a terminal, that is Bash terminal. If you are using Bash, open your Bash terminal. You can check. This command will create a new resource group with the name you specify in the location of your choice. In my case, I will create one called my source group in the East US, or you can write your own location like East US. Enter. You can see uh, in this terminal created a group, a resource group. If you have already created a group but forget to add tags, don't worry, you can easily update the tags using these commands like az group update name and your resource group name, set tags dot projects dot environment production. You can use dev also, and space tag dot project is equals to my project name, my project. These commands create the resource group and attach tags like project and environment to it, which can help you easily filter and organize your resource later. The tags are an excellent way to organize and track cost of your resource. Here you can see that the tags are created. Now switch to PowerShell. If you are using PowerShell, open your terminal and type the following commands for create resource group. Wait for a second. Write new hyphen as az resource group hyphen name. You can write your own name like Azure 67, and location like East US or West US. You can use your own location. You can see that the resource group has been created. Now If you have already created a resource group but forget to add tags, you can easily update the tags using this command like set hyphen az resource group, then name of resource group az hyphen 67, and then set tags at the rate curly brackets, and environment is equals to production or dev. You can use your own, is equals to dev, in space close curly brackets space tags dot project is equals to my project, and close curly brackets, and then enter. Yeah, this is created, and that's it. You have successfully created a resource group and add tags using Azure CLI with Bash and PowerShell. Simple, right? This process can really help streamline your resource management in Azure.